hiking. Wow. There's water everywhere. So nice. It is. We ain't even hit a mile yet. We ain't. Woo, and it's hot. I just want to see the waterfall. That's it. Whew. So we're two miles in. Ah. This is not but a week. We ain't even made it to the waterfall yet. Sorry. Don't just back out. Mama. She way. She way. We made it to the waterfall. We made it by the grace of God. We made it. Look at that. Amazing. Look. Ah! Wow. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Bye. Oh, bye-bye. Bye, waterfall. The hike has been completed. It is 12:37. Josiah is asleep.